Yeah, so this is Canary Springs, and so yeah, it's got these blue pools and these like mineral waterfalls that have just frozen, you know, sort of the image of waterfalls. It kind of reminds me of the waterfalls in Jamaica, right? With the pools and
Ah,
the gentle racks. What do you think, Rob?
I've been to Jamaica.
So, oh, here's our traveling friends, William and Paul. If I include you in your video, then at least I'll have 2 new followers. This is so William and Paul are even more well-traveled than we are. It's true, and William is the king of double entendres.
Yeah.
And Paul is his straight man, or not straight man, but his foil, I suppose. So, what do you think? Was it worth the trip?
Absolutely.
Oh my God! Look at all the little tiny cars down there. Oops.
Maybe it's just because I know where it's coming from.
Just awe-inspiring, and also weird that I'm like hot and it's snowy at the same time. So, all right, let's look for a geyser.